The new 2025 Ram 3500 Longhorn. Here we go. Going for a cruise. Ooh, feel that power. You know what a truck is to me? It's just a horse with 4 cup holders. I don't care if you're a GMC guy, Chevy guy, Ford guy. Just come down and drive this. You drive it, you'll buy it. It's just so smooth. Look at this. There's no delay. Does not feel like we're going 65. This is so smooth. 435 horsepower. Woo! Here we go. 1,000 pounds of torque. Can feel the power, brother. Can feel the power. Best part right now, we're about the only ones that have all the models in stock right now. That's just great. Just come down, pick one out. You go for a test drive, it's over. You'll buy it. I've never felt something like this. I've been driving trucks my whole life. This is crazy. Crazy. Just imagine if we were pulling a horse trailer right now. You wouldn't even feel it. You wouldn't even feel it. This is crazy. There's no delay anymore. This transmission is amazing. Just look at this interior, boys. Look at this. Just beautiful. Doesn't get any nicer than this. Whoo! Taking this down to a rodeo, whew, you'd get so many looks. And Ram also is the only brand on the market that has a passenger display. Look at that. You can watch a movie while you're driving. Oh wait, you can't. Only the passenger. And you know, the nice thing about going through a weekend with your truck, if it isn't covered in mud, you didn't do it right. And there's also dual wireless charging right underneath the radio. Never seen that before. Look at this. That's awesome. 2 phones. The radio got a lot bigger. 14.1 inch display. This thing is huge. If you're out on a date in a truck like this, she doesn't like it, she ain't the one. Max towing on this unit is 33,000 pounds. You can pull a house with this thing. Let's go! I just challenge everybody to come out and test drive this thing. You gotta drive this thing. It's so smooth. You can tow whatever you want. You come out, drive it, you'll buy it. You will buy it. Let's go! This truck has optional 360 trailer camera too. You can't beat that. A clean truck to me is just a wasted weekend. It has heated seats, cooled seats, seats that are heated in the back. Man, it's like this is the Cadillac of all trucks. So we're gonna decide who's gonna tell the boss we took this truck. We'll get her back safe after a little mudding. Turn on the blinker and you get a camera. That is safety. That is safety. Just stop by here at Billion Ram in Sioux Falls, South Dakota and ask for Marky Onky. We'll do a test drive. Come on down. I challenge you to drive this truck. Let's go!